Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Today we are gonna review a super awesome website in making money online. Yes, that's paidwork.com. The special feature of this website is it's totally free. It's 100 to 100% free. No needs registration fees. And make sure to watch the video tutorial fully in order to get a detailed idea on this website and how to make money online. And this is a super awesome website. So how will this website provide you an economic revenue? So if you are a user of tablet or phone or a computer, you can earn money on this website without any 0% investment. So now let's scroll down, and you can work on this website as a part-time employee or a full-time employee. Based on the engagement and the time you spend in this website, you can earn money online without any hardships. And everything is under your control. When you play games, when you complete surveys, when you watch videos and shop online, and when you create accounts, you can earn money online using this website, which is super awesome. And you can even collect profits from resources. Now we'll head over to the resources section of this website. So this section of this website deals with methods of earning through this website. As I already said, by playing games, filling out surveys, and watching videos, and by online shopping, you can earn an economic revenue. And this section of this website says about the monetization tips, and by inviting people, you can earn money, which is known as a referral program, and which will create a bonus revenue to your account. So now I'm gonna register to this website, which is totally free. So click on registration, and either you can sign up using your Google account or by using your Microsoft account. So now I'm gonna sign up with my Google account. So choose an account. And there we go. We have successfully reached to the dashboard of paidwork.com, which says about estimated earnings and balance of our earning. So first of all, now we'll verify our email address. So click go to settings, and from here you can verify your email address. When you click send activation link, the paidworker.com website will send an email in order to verify your account in order to successfully earn money from this website. So now we'll proceed to the dashboard, and here the earnings are 0 because this is a new account. Okay, now we'll head over to the earn section of this website, and this section deals with the method of earning. As I already said, now you can earn money by clicking on this fiber, and some options of this website can only be done on mobile phones, like watching videos, playing games. These types of monetization tips are only applicable on mobile devices. So you can proceed with this by clicking these links, which will direct you to the App Store or Google Play Store. So now we'll deal with the analytics sections, and this is a section which provides reports of your earning. So as I am a new customer to this website, I don't have any previous records. So when you generate an economic revenue, this will fill up and the graph will show how much you earn per day. Now let's head over to the billing section, and here the billing section says the total revenue, and in order to get money you should have $10. Then this website will direct your revenue to the account you provide in this section. How do you get paid? In this section you can add payment method when you start dealing with this website. And we'll proceed to referral program tab. As I already said, by inviting one of your friend through the internet to the paidwork website, you can earn a bonus revenue, and you will both get $10 for free when you invite someone. So please proceed with this step and you will earn $10. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to US Educate Academy YouTube channel in order to get more video tutorials and more tech tips. See you in my next video.